pressure point. You know? Anytime, any day. Keeps you good. Alive.
After watching inside Michelle Yeoh's bag, I received some questions from my friends.
What is this? What is it used for? Can you show me how to use it? And why we should use it?
This is a facial tool, or you can also call it a facial massager. It is used for gua sha or face massage. Do you know there is a total of 39 acupressure points on the entire face, with approximately 16 of them being related to beauty? Today, I will introduce only a few of main acupressure points. 1. 百会 point. Located in the crown of the head, this acupressure point, known as 100 meetings point, is essential for calming the internal organs, stabilizing the mind, enhancing mental clarity, and addressing issues such as insomnia, vivid dreams, and memory problems. Massaging the 百会 point improves sleeping quality, allows the facial nerves to rest, and regulates facial metabolism, resulting in more vibrant appearance. 2. In-tongue point. Situated on the forehead, at the center of the eyebrows, the in-tongue point, often referred to as anti-aging point, can effectively reduce wrinkles and promote facial radiance when regularly massaged. 3. On the eyebrows, there are 3 important acupressure points: 粘竹、鱼腰, and 四足孔. We can simultaneously massage those 3 points using a simple technique. Massaging those points not only benefits visual and cognitive health, but also enhances blood supply to the eye muscles, preventing eye aging and wrinkles. 4. Temple. It is called the Taiyang point in Chinese, an important acupressure point for longevity and skin health. Supports facial skin metabolism, brightens complexion, alleviates eye fatigue, and improve issues like eye bags and dark circles. 5. Tingong point. Positioned in the face, in front of the tragus of ear, behind the jaw's articular tubercle. When opening the mouth, it appears in concave state. Massaging the Tingong point improves dull and lackluster skin, restoring moisture, aiding in conditions like skin allergy, acne, and eczema, and providing relief from hearing loss, tinnitus, and throat discomfort while promoting emotional well-being. 6. 颊车 point. This point is located at bulging area of the cheek muscles. When teeth are clenched, stimulating the 颊车 point yields positive results in addressing facial issues such as wrinkles and puffiness. 7. 睛灵 point. Situated on the inner side of the eye, slightly above the inner corner. The Jingling point eases eye strain, reduces eye pressure, enhances blood circulation around the eyes, aiding the elimination of dark circles and reduction of eye puffiness. 8. 印象 point. Found about 1 cm beside each nostril, the 印象 point may cause slight tingling when massaged. Massaging this point dispels wind heat, clears nasal passages, improves central facial blood circulation, enhances immunity, and boosts skin vitality by promoting cellular metabolism. 9. 承泣 point. Located between eyeball and the lower edge of the eye socket. The 承泣 point is associated with stomach issues, often accompanied by eye bags or drooping. Massaging this point promotes stomach function and prevents sagging of the lower eyelids. 10. 四白 point. This whitening point or beauty point can be found by aligning the left and the right index and middle fingers, pressing into the upper edge of the nose sides. Regularly pressing and gently kneading this point for about 3 minutes each day results in smoother and fairer skin. 11. 低仓 point. Positioned at the corner of the mouth. When massaged consistently, it can effectively reduce fine lines at the mouth corners. 12. 承浆 point. Situated in the facial region, precisely at the mid-depression of mental labial groove. The 承浆 point regulates hormone secretion, maintains skin elasticity, and prevents facial sagging.